Investor confidence in Fiji's economy by business stakeholders in the Melanesian region continues to gain momentum after the Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama launched the new Grand Pacific Hotel development plan in Suva this afternoon.
Today's launch between the Fiji National Provident Fund and NOS Fund and Lamana of Papua New Guinea is testimonial to the need to create favorable partnerships amongst MSG countries. In searching for a traditional joint partner, FNPF had to carefully undergo the necessary processes or due diligence checks, and this partnership with a fellow MSG business partner also augurs well, especially with Fiji's Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama as chair of the Melanesian Spearhead Group. The Prime Minister, who labelled the idle Grand Pacific Hotel as the Grand Old Lady, says that the commitment by NOS Fund and Lamana Group is in recognition of their confidence and support of his government and Fiji's current economy.
Through the collaboration and partnership between the Fiji National Provident Fund, the National Superannuation Fund of Papua New Guinea, and the Lamana Group, also of Papua New Guinea. These three entities are shareholders in the Grand Pacific Hotel Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, it is imperative that developments such as this are carried out by those who are financially sound, have a proven track record, and have the necessary expertise and skills. This collaboration between Fiji and Papua New Guinea is the first of its kind.
This collaboration between Fiji and PNG is a first of its kind and is indicative of the ever-growing economic strength of these two major Melanesian economies. The GPH, once a pride of the city of Suva, will certainly add impetus to Fiji's growing tourism market, one which Commodore Bainimarama says is crucial to our future development as a major tourist destination in the Pacific region. FNPF CEO Aisake Teto says the new reforms and business policies implemented by the Bainimarama government provided the platform for foreign business entrepreneurs like NOS Fund and Lamana Group to have confidence in expanding their business interest in Fiji.
As many of you are aware, the GPH has been in current conditions for more than 15 years. 3 successive governments and numerous FNPF boards have failed to resurrect to its former glory. Prime Minister, FNPF has been fortunate that with your government's continued support, we have been able to secure a joint venture for the redevelopment of GPH.
The redevelopment of the old GPH site into a modern facility will ensure that with approval of the National Trust of Fiji, the integrity of the Old Lady of Suva will be maintained.
With the need to creating more awareness in combating bad driving behavior and to reduce the number of deaths on our Fiji roads, the results are reaping its benefits with the campaign into its second month. And the National Road Safety Council is hoping a zero-tolerance fatality on our roads. This has been confirmed by the Land Transport Authority Road Safety Manager, Timothy Satakala, to our Fiji Today news team this morning.
Mr. Satakala said Fiji was heading for a brighter future in terms of road safety through the government 10-year action plan for 2011 to 2020. And there are also action plans to improve road safety and bring down fatality numbers addresses the 7 pillars of action through partnerships with the Department of National Roads, LTA, Ministry of Education and Police.
We also have our enforcement officer who are on the road and they have also tried to increase the number of bookings that they are doing on a daily basis. We still have yet to receive last week's report to date that will come in the afternoon. And once it comes, we will then release the number of bookings actually and the various areas they have covered so far, from seatbelt use, from drink driving, vehicle, standard of vehicles and so forth. So that one is going on. Communities, we are targeting to cover 20 communities this month.
Satakala adds the LTA would continue to monitor the stakeholders through meeting and reports being submitted by them. And to end this month awareness, the Land Transport Authority is hoping for a better and safer environment for our road users.
We expect zero fatality on the road this month, and it's a big ask, but anything can happen if we work hard. If we are able to provide the right mix of interventions, we can achieve that aim.
Residents living in the Lami areas right up to Tongalebu will be facing water shutdown from 9 o'clock tonight to 3 o'clock tomorrow morning, August 9, 2011. The Water Authority of Fiji will be carrying out repair works on the 600mm water main that runs parallel to the Bungalei Bridge outside Lami. The increased pressure in the reticulation system is threatening to the pipes to burst again, as repair works will involve patching two bursts that have previously been attended. Residents living in the high areas of Delenavesi and Lami, including Bakan Drive up until Tongalebu, are advised to store enough water to last them during the shutdown period. Normal supply is expected to be restored by 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. After the break, Consumer Council of Fiji wants more consultation over the proposal to introduce a road toll on motorists, and LTA responds to Consumer Council statement.